कांग्रेस की कर्नाटक यूनिट ने बरोज मंगल को 40% सरकार बीजेपी में भ्रष्टाचार के उन्वान से एक मुहिम शुरू की है ताकि बदउनवानी पर बसवराज बोम्मई की क़यादत वाली हुकूमत पर हमला किया जा सके। बेंगलुरु में मीडिया से खिताब करते हुए कर्नाटक कांग्रेस के सरबराह DK शिवकुमार और कर्नाटक कानून साज असेंबली में अपोजिशन लीडर सिद्धरमैया ने बीजेपी हुकूमत की तरफ से मुख्तलिफ कामों और ग्रांट्स के लिए मांगे गए कमीशन की तफसील देने वाले रेट के बारे में बात की। कांग्रेस ने एक हेल्पलाइन नंबर और एक वेबसाइट www.40%sarkar.com भी शुरू की ताकि लोग सबूत के साथ बदउनवानी की शिकायत दर्ज कर सकें। DK ने बताया कि शिकायत करने वालों के नाम और तफसीलात को महफूज रखा जाएगा और पार्टी तहकीकात के लिए महकमों और एजेंसियों के सामने सबूत पेश करेगी। 40% सरकार वेबसाइट के मुताबिक अब तक 1359 शिकायत सामने आई हैं। अपोजिशन पार्टी ने बोम्मई इंतज़ामिया पर शदीद तनकीद की और उसे खून चूसने वाली और जान लेने वाली हुकूमत करार दिया है। शिवकुमार और सिद्धरमैया ने इल्ज़ाम लगाया कि वज़ीर आला बोम्मई, वज़ीर सेहत डॉक्टर के सुधाकर, BJP लीडर EKS ऐश्वरप्पा, हायर एजुकेशन और ITBT के वज़ीर डॉक्टर CN अश्वथ नारायण समेत कई लीडर टेंडर घोटाले, कोविड घोटाले, नौकरी के लिए सेक्स घोटाले, एग घोटाले, बिटकॉइन घोटाले, विजेंद्रा घोटाले और राघवेंद्र बैंक घोटाले इस तरह के दीगर घोटालों में मुलव्विस थे। कांग्रेस का इल्ज़ाम है कि हुकूमत एक असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर के लिए 50 से 70 लाख रुपए रिश्वत वसूल करती है, एक लेक्चरार के लिए 30 से 50 लाख रुपए, वाइस चांसलर के लिए 1 करोड़ से 10 करोड़ रुपए, डिप्टी कमिश्नर के लिए 1 से 16 करोड़ रुपए और सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस पोस्ट और रेलवे की नौकरियों के लिए 10 लाख रुपए रिश्वत वसूल करती है। शिवकुमार ने इल्ज़ाम लगाते हुए कहा कि बेंगलुरु को कभी सिलिकॉन वैली या गार्डन सिटी कहा जाता था, लेकिन अब BJP हुकूमत की वजह से उसे हिंदुस्तान का करप्शन कैपिटल कहा जा रहा है।
Today we have the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee has launched an helpline, WhatsApp number and a mail ID for the people of Karnataka to support us, to know their suffering and how they have been harassed on corruption. We are very sorry. I am very sorry being a citizen of this Bangalore and this state. Our seniors, elders had got this name, IT capital, BT capital, Silicon Valley, health, education. We had made a big different global brand for Bangalore. It is not only the Indian brand, it is a global brand for Bangalore. Today it has become the corruption capital of this country. 40% of the corruption, it is not we have said this. It is the Contractor Association President has said. On education sector, the President of the high school teachers, high school management association have said that. So many MLAs and ministers have also admitted that their government, they are collecting whatever the percentage has been already declared. Even in the employment of all the sections, it may be a PSI, it may be education department, it may be a health department, it may be any other department. Already IAS officers, IPS officers and various police officers and other department officers are in jail. But none of the politicians' name has come out. They are hiding it. So we have requested the people of Karnataka to come out on this helpline, and there is a rate card for all how much they had to pay. This rate card is not from us. This rate card has been disclosed by the media, all your media friends. In democracy, legislature, judiciary, administration and the media plays a major role. This rate card is been printed by the media and we have compelled it. Every number has been supported with the media reports. So this is the rate cards. For in Bescom, for posting about 1 crore. Lecturer appointment 30 to 50 lakhs. BEMUL 25 lakhs. BDA Commissioner 10 to 15 crores. Vice Chancellor 1 to 10 crores. One was the aspirant of Vice Chancellor. He committed suicide. No enquiry has been done. So PSI 80 lakh to 1 crore. Junior engineer 30 lakhs. Constable 10 lakhs. PW engineer KPSC 3.7 crore to 16 crores. AC Tashildar posting 50 to 33 crores. All these things are there. This has been supported by all your media friends. We would like to thank you. So Congress party wants to educate people, take it to a logical end, who all will support us with their sufferings, pain and information. It will be kept confidential. We will compile that and submit it to the agencies for further inquiry. And whatever on Ishwarappa and other cases, before the commencement of the investigation, the Chief Minister and other senior leaders said they will come out clean. They never allowed any investigation. They never allowed judicial inquiry. All things were being manipulated. And today, we want to be re-examined with a judicial probe on all the issue. We will take it to the people of Karnataka.
Sir, Revenue Minister and the government is saying that the encroachment drive which has been taken is aftermath the mistake made by the Congress and the previous government.
And also one property is of Mr. Harris is what they say. Sir.
It's
See,
been mentioned.
if anyone has done a mistake, let them take action.
So time research.
Bangalore is full of encouragements, what they are telling. Who has stopped them? Time will come, we can release all the names. If anyone has done a mistake, let them do it.
They're not taking any action against IT parks or big.
Only small
First
poor
one,
people's
only
house they are
middle
going. No
class and
tech
the
park
poor.
has been demolished till now. Sir.
I don't
Any of the
see.
builders.
I doesn't know the actual number. I have not seen. I am not an engineer to look at this. It is a BDA to look at. Let them come out with the details.